From Biafra. If you happy and you know, and you really want to be free, if you happy and you know, shall Biafra, Biafra. I got the shout, oh, I got the shout, oh, he shout, oh. My people, I greet you that anyway on that day, anyhow on that day. We go just talk, small talk, enter here, enter here, enter here. We will go, we no go stay reach 1 hour. Okay. Just make we no far. Just 1 hour, guy. We don't finish, we don't work. Then we will come back for evening session. Yes.
Right.
So matter full everywhere. So if you don't talk, your mouth will go begin to pepper you. Hey! He dey choke me. I be prophet, pope, pastor, Ugo, na me be this. Mazi, welcome, battle cry.
I greet you, my brother. Good morning.
Ndewo.
God help Biafra. I
Um,
I just swimming from my garden, so I just want to take a fresh breeze from here. Not that I want to stay inside because inside I just feel boring, so I decided to come out. I hope there's no noise here.
no problem. We dey hear
Oh,
you. Nothing dey important.
okay. So thank you for having me. It's a very good morning. There's no sun today. The weather just changed, so you can see I just decided to put on jacket. I don't like cold. This weather is very
Who
horrible.
like code? Who like am?
I
Who
don't
like
like it.
code? I
I
don't.
must
I
go home.
hate code. That's why I want a better country. If I have a better country, will I be here in Europe suffering?
Uh,
I
to,
tell
to-
you, move on. Carry go.
so we are on we are still on remembrance of the heroes, and I've watched a couple of videos this morning concerning how the heroes refused to be slaved in America, and it's so exciting and so encouraging. These are the kind of documentary we need to be bringing to the new generation and the one that are existing now. So it's good to have such a thing in archive and existing to tell the people the reason why people are agitating for Biafra or for freedom. Very important thing. So as we are doing it here on media, it's a very collective effort, honestly. So I thank every one of us, our Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, who has embraced the spirit of Onye Dumazin Nandekalo. So I thank you very well as we go. We move. Thank you.
Ndewo, ndewo. Anyway, today, if it be laugh, where we want laugh, we don't get too much thing to talk. I greet you, dear friends, anyway you dey. Where you
Ewo,
Max, bro, Max, come now. I don't miss you too much now. Where you there, my brother? I beg you come now. You say make I bring link. I don't bring them. I don't see you. Yesterday I bring link. You don't come. I beg you come at least even na 1 minute. Enter. Make we see face to face. I beg. Max, Vine. I beg you come. Yes, Onyeka, you are welcome. But before I give you the mic, Biafrans, I greet every one of us. I beg, anywhere you are watching from, just try and like. And if you have a YouTube or Facebook channel, you want to share this program, you want to stream, just follow the link. Come in, you will see the option of sharing your channels. You can share as well, so you can stream your own platform. All we are doing for the people to get the message. I beg, we want the message to go viral. We want the world to get the message. Share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, anywhere. Come take the link, share them. We want it to go far. So before we continue, I want us to remember, say, not everybody will carry Bible go church. We must remember. And if you look on the screen, you go see say some people they fall, and then some people know they stand again. Now be the thing where would they talk. And then you go see some people when they play some music now that they call Mazen Nandi Kalo, they tell you Biafra, they tell you this thing. I want us to know one thing. I talked this in for speaker for Twitter yesterday. If anybody is a Biafran and want to stand for Biafra, let that person stand for Biafra. No be say you go dey do your comedy tomorrow, you wan take because you don see say people no dey watch your program again. You come talk Nnamdi Kanu o, Biafra o, people go come watch you. We don't want to, don't patronize those people. They are not your friends. They are looking for money. Just the same way those artists we are looking for money when we were telling you, you refuse. Today, they don't leave you, go America, go Canada, go Europe, go buy houses. You dey there, they suffer. Today is a new dawn in the zoological republic of country called Nigeria. A new dawn in the beautiful land, the paradise on earth called Biafra. We are marching, we are moving forward. Thank you for coming into the studio. You can come talk. Like I said, I have my brother Max. So you cannot verse. You don't tell where
No
Max is.
problem. No tension. No tension. No tension. He's. I want to see him too. He's our great brother. I want to see him too. Yeah.
So, Max, you are welcome. Long time. How far? How you dey go? I know say you know dey easy, but
Max, where you can go now?
God is your strength.
Hello, my people. Thank you.
But we miss you. We miss you. We miss your voice, please. Please, we miss you. Please.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brothers. May God bless you all. Good morning from my side. I was entangled with some serious things that I wanted to do. To be honest with you, people, you are my namoches, and I believe that some of my namoches will appear here today too. You know, so
yeah, great one, Diana. Great one, Diana.
Thank you.
Yes.
That was
with great one swag.
Yes, you know, since the time I left the military, I was never not to go into anything. So I decided to go and acquire some skills on how to, operate some certain things for about 3 or 4 months, and I've done it. I will still go back again for mastery. So here, if you finish and get your certificate,
as you take this break, it be like say the school where you go sef, see as your face come dey shine.
Onyeisi nkọcha, onyeisi apostle, onyeisi nkọcha, prophet, onyeisi nkọcha, ịbịakwala.
I'm not the only prophet. Now, Pope, I don't add Pope for my title. I don't add
Yes, Daddy.
Apostle,
Yes, Daddy.
prophet, evangelist, pastor. Na me.
Yes, Daddy. So make you no do the one wey dey for anyhow, wey only the whole am for back. Oh, my people, who did this to our people? I say, so my brother, that was the reason why I was kept in the dark. And when I was there, I was still thinking. I said, it's like I've not been receiving any information. I've not been interacting with my people. It's like I was in a dungeon. You see, so when you starve, if you want to torment someone, deliberately, you have to cut that person away from communication, and that is another way. And that is exactly the way what they are using against our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu there.
Yeah.
Or they try to cut him off and control the kind of informations and those that he can have access to. But they will do it for a short time. But God would definitely, as he has been doing, would not allow him to go through such. Even if they place him on that man was prepared for it. And that is why I respect him so much, because he did not just come out carnally. He went and asked for God's permission and the strengthening of his own spirit as a human being, and God did it. If not, probably he must have signed. By now, he must have signed documents, let me go. I'm telling you the truth, because the Spirit of God is in him. It is that same saliva he spat on Mazi Simon Ekpa that is making him to do what he's doing. most people will not like us. Yes, we are doing what God asks us to do. I will continue to do it. Thank you so much. I will be around. Let's drive this thing forward because my mom, they itch me now to talk. I want to talk. I want to talk. I want to talk, my people. I am so happy. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. So welcome. Okay, you can just say hello to their friends before we move because we got that many
Okay.
jump into this.
Okay, dear friends. Hello, dear friends. Greetings to you all, dear friends. In fact, if you are a true committed Biafran who are a true disciple, a day you did not hear the voice of any of this senior comrade, I'm telling you, it will look as if something is missing. I don't know how others feel, but a day I would not hear about when our leader was out, a day I did not hear about him or hear our prime minister. In fact, it look as if something is missing. I will ask, what? Mama is telling me something is omitting, until they say, I've not heard that from them. Oh. You see, that is it. We are addicted to them because the truth is coming out from them, and something more important. When you are listening to somebody, they are telling you what is real. What if you're somebody who is a lover of truth, you will love them. You will addicted to them. I'm telling you. I am addicted to listening to this platform and all our great genuine Biafra agitators, liberators. You know. Again, what I want to say this morning to our people is this: Biafrans. I will say this. I know people will not like me saying this, but I must be saying it because I know what I'm saying now. I'm saying it because of experience. Now you have seen the truth about those who want to take you to heaven. And if you're running after somebody who cannot protect himself, I don't know why you still be with that person who cannot protect himself and run after that person to show you way to heaven. You have seen it, the Bible robbers, the prophet of dooms. They are there. They supported the Islamic constitution. They want to take you to heaven. I told you that some of them are installed to condition your mind, to make you weak. They are working for the caliphate. Okay? They are working for the caliphate. Because you won't tell me that a true man of God will be there and confirm that is the constitutional conference meant confirm. They do not protest for that one to be implemented. They're telling you to validate Islamic constitution. Get a PBC, get a PBC. Now, I'm not telling you to support praying for the Islamic Muslim ticket. Now they are taking over. Let me tell you something. So for some of you, Yoruba brothers who supported the dead man walking because you think he's the Yoruba man, that anything good will come out of him. Let me tell you something. As it is now, Chettima will control 90% of the activities. And be rest assured, even if you know the fact that he's dead, he's the Yoruba man.
Your mic is no good. I think you should go out and come back again. Yeah, very, very bad indeed. It's very bad. It's very bad. My people, I think my people, listen, there are things we should be showing you this very morning, this very hour. Onyeka, just relax. Your mic is not good, please. There are things you must see, and we will be showing you all of them one by one. And I don't think I want to talk too much because people that their mouth are more sharper than my own are here. So number one thing we go show you now is a new dawn. Why did I say it's a new dawn? New things don't happen. New things has begun to happen. In that country you called Nigeria, in the nation you called Biafra. Yes. So the thing is that first of all, they are beginning to fall. Who are falling? The enemies of Biafra. I want you to watch this bag, this sack. Now you will find out that he cannot even stand on his feet again. People have to hold him while he talk. Watch him. Can you see him? We know who he is. I don't need to begin to call his name because he's not worth it. It's for you to see the
This
enemy.
one not be Greek. Greek, right?
Now, for you to see the enemies of Biafra, this is one of the people that said over their dead body will Biafra come. And as you can see it, Biafra is coming over their dead body. You can see it. And then here comes another one. I'm going to show you now. You will see another one. Because whatever anybody say with their mouth, now if they go get. They are going to get whatever they said with their mouth. Whatever they said with their mouth, they will get. As you can see this man on the screen, do you know him? That is Dave Umahi. He fell down at the inaugural meeting ceremony of Alhaji Muhammadu Tinubu 2 days ago. He fell down in the public. And after that, I don't know whether it don't come out because this fall weighing fall signifies one thing: death or stroke. And the stroke could not be small one. So I know they pray for him, make he die or make he live. He no concern me. And then the other one you are going to see is this man here. As you know, you see the president. I just they show all of them. So who want to talk will go just go straight and talk. This is the man they called your president. You see him? Watch as in the stagger like a drunken master. Watch him. They see him. You see him. And I will show you something that will go shock you now. Something will go shock you. I want you to see here. If you watch Tinubu, you see the bag way in the carry. I go try amend and make the bag come out full. If you see him, you go see say he carry one bag will be like green. That bag is Islamic bag. Islamic bag. I don't know better. I believe somebody go know better. Whether no be Islamic people bag be this. What did they do for ceremony? Why ain't carry them? Now question I they ask. So we will be doing justice to every part of the program this morning. As you wish, as you can, open your mouth and talk. Max, I leave you. I give you the mic.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, Max. Wait. No verse. My able minister is here. My honorable minister is here. Mazi Sonny, have you gotten the advice?
From the madman.
Have you gotten the advice from the madman? Okay, it's like he's still consulting. Master, can I go?
Okay. Thank you so much, my great brother. I always, when I see you like this, with this shining hair like this, I say, hey, this man, this one will be a past Elijah or an Elisha. Thank you. Good morning to you. Good morning to my co-panelists. Good morning to great sons and daughters of Biafra land, wherever you are. I say, may God provide for you for today. May God guide us for today. In Jesus' name. He say. I would like to, I would just want to, before I go on, I value the spirit of our brothers and sisters, those I call heroes and heroines that lost their life in the course of the fight for the restoration of Biafra. I just want to, I'll create your indulgence, Mazugo, to give me, even if it is half a minute, let us just pay some, little respect to our hero and heroine.
All right. I for bring where Mazi throw 21 gun salute for them. I don't know whether I go see that video now. But go on and do whatever you want to do. Let me pause this. Okay. Okay. So
Thank
what do you
you.
want us to do? Just direct as you lead them. Now so they go.
Yes, I use this opportunity that you have given to me to ask for their own support as I write down, as we begin to, speak against the evil and the manipulations that are going on in a country where they don't want us to live, a country they want us to remain in. May God never allow that to happen,
You see?
especially on our time.
See?
I told them, if you go back to what Mazin Namdekano said, because me, I am an ardent listener of Mazin Namdekano. When you go back 8 years or 7 years ago, where he narrated how they set up the whole thing and began to warn our people in the southeast, the gullible and the lily-livered politicians, that it will never get to you. They didn't believe it. 7 or 8 years ago, this prophet Mazen Namdekano said it, and people called him all manner of names. Some called him online president. Some called him hypopix. Some called him all manner, unprintable names. And all the things, Biafraud, and all of them. All the things this man said has come to pass. I don't think if there is anyone, it is only Biafra that remains. Only Biafra. He said that must surely come in our time. That is the one,
Yes.
the latest one that is about to fulfill and is going to fulfill in God's name. They
Sure.
refuse to understand. Today, what happened? They packaged a dead body. They packaged a dead body. Someone who seems to like, or maybe, looks like someone who is suffering from Parkinson's disease, or someone who is suffering for all kinds of this, overuse, that or the over usage of this, substances, illegal substances. That is how this man behaves. Because I can tell you, I had similar experiences when I was fighting in the war front. I had similar experiences. When someone is doing these things and you are doing it in order to build up your, let's say, your strength and your, let's say, what do I call it? To be strong and brave to approach or address people. You go into such things and take them. My brother, my sister, you will feel it. You will feel it. The only thing that I did not see there is forgetting. If he was forgetting, I will know that that is what that man was saying. But that doesn't, that notwithstanding, he might be taking it. His body chemistry might make him in such a way that he cannot be forgetting. That is what I saw there. A packaged dead, my goodness, a packaged dead body. That is what you saw there. Someone that cannot stand. Is that kind of person that is going to rule a country? If not in the zoo, where else will you see this thing happening? A man that is shaky, it didn't even start today. Even from the time he started his campaign, people were seeing it, peeing in his shorts, peeing in abada, shaking, bulu bala balazo, and all the rest of them. Yet, the Nigerian people voted, according to them, the one Nigerian is they voted, then they selected this man and gave to them. When we told them that things like this will happen in the future, they refused to understand today. My question to them now is this. For some of my friends, maybe some of them are listening to me speaking right now. I told them, I say, look, why are you doing this to yourself? A typical Biafran. I am not a pure Biafran. But what I am doing, some of you cannot do it. Why are you
Yes.
people doing this that you are doing to your people? Do you know that you are derailing or delaying the coming of Biafra? Is it a crime for one to look for self-determination? Tell me which law book or constitution that makes it a criminal offense for someone to do that. But in that same Nigeria, is it not true dialogue that Nigeria moved away from Britain, British colony? Is it not dialogue? What stops them? Even the people that said no Arab at that time, did they catch them and kill them and lock them in prison just like the way they've locked Martin Nambakana and the rest of our people? Why are you doing this to your people? Do you think that you are PVC? Tell me which election Nigerians have gone to vote and their votes counted. Tell me. Or would this be an isolated case? Okay, let's see. They went in there. The one told me, so, they just want to do it. Now the INEC has done this, INEC has done this. I laughed. I said, okay, you people can go. For me, I am for Biafra today, tomorrow, or anytime. So they went there. He said, oh, if they didn't give PTOB, then they will come back to Biafra. I said, no, remain there. That is the reason why I said what I said that time. If we are coming back, I will rig it. I will rig it. If they are coming back, I will rig it. Let them stay away because you cannot serve two masters. You tested the other one. You were here before you went in there simply because they promised you that the other person is going in there. Then that one did not work. Then you want to come back. We will not accept you. And if they are going to accept you, maybe Simon Ekpa, the spokesperson, and the Prime Minister will do that. But for me, I don't regard you as someone who is serious and can be trusted. That is what I told them. Now, my question to them is this. They have packaged this thing and gave to you. They took away the person you said you voted for. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now to reclaim the stolen mandate, as they call it? What are you going to do? Look at what they have given to you. Immediately the man came in. There is no system put in place. Nothing was put in place, and you are removing subsidy. Go and see now. According to what I've heard in Lagos, some places, a liter of petrol is selling at 500 naira. Only if you can see it.
you can even see it on the. You can even see the screen. This is what just a sketch of little of what is going on in Lagos State.
Good. Worse will happen. Worse will happen. People, these same people that voted for Obi and Obi a distraction to Biafran cause, and these people will clap for Buhari. I'm telling you the truth. The worst situation is about to befall that country. The worst, and for whichever way it goes, my people, be rest assured that it is for the good of Biafra. God is going to use his own hand to destroy these people. Those that has killed and murdered innocent people simply because they say, I want freedom. You catch them, you kill them. God would destroy that entity that, made it, that gave them the platform to do such things. And at the end of it all, like I said in Alexo platform today, they will get to a stage where everybody will say, we are tired. I'm not gonna begin to go. Everybody will find their way to their houses. That is how it is going to be. We are not going to fight any war, my people. Anybody that tells you, oh, war, you are calling for war, you are calling, we fought it the other time. Me, I have fought in 5 different wars. I have fought in 5 different wars. You fought for 3 years, and none of them was the biggest among them that I spent much years is Liberia. 3 years, 8 months. The rest were 2 years, 2 years, 2 years, 3 months, 2 years, 2 years, 2 years. Then you will now come and tell me what war is. You see, so these are some of the things we are not going to fight. God will not allow us to go through that ordeal again. God is going to destroy that corrupt and demonic entity called Nigeria for our own good. They can never get hold of it. I assure you this, and by the grace of God, it's going to happen. People that derive joy in killing their own innocent people, weak people that cannot even go and confront. Well equipped militias. It is only those that doesn't even have any weapon to fight you. A proportionate weapon, just like what you have to fight you. These are the people that you are countering. We call them soft targets. That is what Nigeria knows how to do best. They know how to attack soft targets. They don't even know how to attack people with solid weapons just like them. They abandon them. Look at our children. I was seeing a video in our platform yesterday. The pictures of our young people. How they destroy them. How they destroy them. May their soul rest in peace and in the bosom of the Lord. Thank you so much, my brother. God bless you. I'll be here.
Thank you. It's so sweet and nice to have you here again. And anytime you anywhere, no need to tell you that one. You know, say now we and you, now we they do them together. So that is it. Dear friends, today is this man, you know him, Koiki Media. Today is his birthday, so if you can just say a shout out birthday to him. He's just the do I say the engine room in the media of the Yoruba nation nation restoration team. He's the engine room. He's
Happy birthday,
everything
my
there.
brother.
Yes. So his name is Koiki. When you hear Koiki Media, now this man where you see here now, this handsome Bobo Nine be the Koiki himself.
Yes, I saw the notification on my page, and I went in there. I sent my birthday message to him, and I here too. We say, okay, happy birthday, enjoy the day, and may God give you more days ahead of you, and we give you Odudua just like He is going to give us Biafra. God bless you, my brother.
He say. So Koiki, we wish you a happy, lovely, sweet birthday. And I believe every Biafran would love to see you celebrate your next birthday in the land called Yoruba Nation or Duduwa Nation, either. So, either or both. So, we love you and we love you. We love all you Yoruba people that are fighting truly to liberate yourself. We celebrate with you. God will strengthen you and God will bless you and give you more courage and power and zeal to stand on the truth and the fight for the truth. Never give up. We wish you a happy, blissful birthday. May your cup of celebration never run dry. Thank you, Koiki. We love you. Meanwhile, I'm leaving his picture here so people will know it. Happy birthday, Koiki, once again. Okay, okay, Onyeka is gone. Onyeka network no good. Okay, Mazi, where they carry iron, do you want to talk? If you carry this iron finish, you go look for China Samoru.
Yes, and I call yourself.
Deal with them. Don't leave them.
China Samoru will be taken care of. God's willing. He will be taken care of.
All help Biafra. Thank you all for gathering as well. Mas, you know, it is say Boko. Ayel. Oboko Sayan Kasa Bobunibe.
So you dey blow this language now one for you.
I don't want that.
They hear you, Max. Max, we know they hear you.
Oh, okay, uncle. Oh, yeah, baby, Boko.
Yeah, Boko. It is say.
Yeah, Wuswe.
No problem, man.
Okay.
Thank you for long time. Okay, Amiado. Okay. So it's a wonderful thing to see you again back. I hope that I I was thinking that you have run away like other people, but I didn't know that when I took out
You for ask
You
now.
see, but even at my little time, the little time while I was doing my practicals and so on, going from one place to place, I still squeeze out time to come to the space, to come and comment and talk my little and go away too. So I've been coming in,
I
but
see
not
you
the
in
way I
space.
used to.
I see you in space all the time.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining your brothers in the Biafra struggle. May Chukwu Kikabiama strengthen you and continue to reward you with wisdom and knowledge and understanding. This morning, as you can see, we are doing some what we call in the spiritual realm sober reflection. You know, reflection as per the remembrance day of our heroes and those who refuse to be slaves in America and other things. You know, so as it is now, I just want to anchor on the some speech that have been made and some submission concerning how our people has been our Igbo politician has been compromised in dealing with this Biafra agitation. But one thing we are assuring them is that they will sleep and wake up and see themselves in Biafra, because as it is now, we are the finishing battle, you know, and what we are doing has gone to the realm of um, drawing the last rope, you know, to kill the rat. So while we are preparing this, let nobody not just get distracted. You know, many of them are just being disgraced. One disgrace in a boy after he's surrendering power to the next governor, and one was disgraced during the inauguration of the zoo president. Was relegated to the background. So until something will happen to them, Kuro. In fact, whatever that happens to them, Kuro, now, they will not still believe because 70K Karaka. 70K will never learn. Soludo was relegated to the background to the ordinary people. You know, that one is what I let's say. He didn't even come out to make a comment about it. And the Zoom media didn't carry it. They see it as normal because if Igbo man is being disgraced, it cannot even be on paper. If Igbo elite is being disgraced, you can never see it in the media. But disgrace one Yoruba person or disgrace one northern person, you will see it on the newspaper. So our people must have to, you know, key in that that you be rejected, you must stand feet and you know, stand on your feet, stand on your ground, stand on your decision, stand on your freedom. Don't even check, don't even fatter. Continue moving. And as we are gathering here every time, delivering this message, let it enter in the ear of everybody. And those who are watching, when you watch, you see one important message or one important section that someone make or deliver. Just capture it and share the message. It's very important. It can go a long way because knowledge is power. You know, knowledge is power. The scripture even say it that my people have gone into captivity because they have no knowledge. So once you have knowledge, you have power. Okay, so everybody can get so. So that is how it is. I want to greet Mazi Sonny. Yeah, that's Mazi Sonny. I want to greet Mazi Sonny. Good morning, wherever you are. I don't know whether it's your afternoon. May Chukwu Okike bless you. And I want to thank all the author IPOB media. Want to thank Omar as well. Want to thank our Prime Minister for his steadfast in this struggle. Thank you very much from here.
Yeah, they will. Onyeka, where are you now? Come. Anyway, we will not be long here, like I said. Maybe in next 15 minutes we will be gone. And I want us to know that those that have fallen. That is our honorable not be honorable. It get as they give him the Nobel Prize, Peace Award, Nobel Prize. His Excellency, His Excellency, the spokesperson, Biafran spokesperson, the Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Look at him, behold, the short man that have memorized somebody like Max and has given somebody like Max elephant lobe and the crocodile lobe. And today, the short thing that meant nothing, that is not existing, today, the whole world have come to recognize and understand that he is fighting for the right cause. And we no get choice but to join him to bring freedom to our land. This
He's
is
a good guy.
it's awesome. It's awesome. Madison, I wish you can talk, but you say you're busy. No problem. Biafrans, we must continue to fight until Biafra come. As you don't see them say, all the people where they fight Biafra, they are falling down one after the other. You see Soludo. Soludo went there, they pursue and come out. Soludo have to go and sit down with every other common man. Not only Soludo, even the one where collapsed for the stadium, where the baby apprentice Hitler, Ebonyi State Governor, what it be them, the Vomahi, they were like bounced out.
Dave Vomahi.
Yes, they
The
were
killer.
bounced out.
The killer.
Yeah, the killer that placed 2 million naira bounty on our head just to kill us, to please these people, because they promised him after we you go and kill everybody. If you finish killing, we will give you presidency. He go and kill, and then when he saw that the situation is changing, he go and kill them. Oh, don't worry, we will give you vice. He went and killed. And when he see, they tell him, okay, go and take Senate president. He went and killed us again. And the Alhaji Muhammadu Tinubu come and tell and say, you cannot be this. I'm sorry, my hand is full. And he foolishly come out to say it in the public that the president-elect said, I am sorry, my hands are full. You have to step down for my brother. Just a useless thing. Useless people. Mad people everywhere. Today you want Simon dead. Tomorrow you want Simon dead. And they was the wicked man that killed Biafrans that wanted to come and they ignite the killing of another Biafrans. And Biafrans say, no, you will not come into our land. The man called what is his name? Go on, and he will tell you that even if Nigeria is killing you, you must work to keep Nigeria one. Even if Nigeria is frustrating you, you have to work to keep Nigeria one. No matter what happens, your mission and your prayer should be for Nigeria to remain one and progress as one country. You see that these people, they are not thinking. And I begin to ask, where is Okwadike today? He has gone into hiding. Where is Ata Zenubo? He don't disappear in action. These are where is Emmanuel Iwanyan? We know they hear from him again. These are the people that were sitting down when Obasanjo came to their father's house and told them Biafra died many years ago and was buried many years ago. And they could not say anything. They were clapping for him. Can Iwanyan go to Oduduwa land and tell them that Yoruba, Oduduwa died many years ago? Or even died now. Can he say it? Who amongst them, even that one that say he is Simon Okeke, or whatever he called, that crossed leg like a maricon, can he go to Yoruba land and tell them that Yoruba died? And the Obasanjo came to their land to tell them that Biafra died, and they were clapping for Obasanjo. This same Obasanjo, when they took Sunday Igboho, Obasanjo have to call, remain in constant conversation with the Benin Republic government, making sure that Sunday Igboho was safe and released. Have he uttered the word concerning the kidnap of Mazen and the Kano. Go on, my brother.
You know, I said it before in damages platform that most of our Igbo politicians are hypocrites.
Very, very,
And
very.
he cut it and published it. And I loved it. I said it. They are hypocrites.
They are, indeed.
They are the kind of people that will close their door. They will shut their door at their children when the enemy is chasing them right inside the house. They will close the door. The enemy will devour their children. That is who they are. They are not the kind of people like what Obasanjo did to Sunday Igboho in Benin. The enemy chased him. They managed to kill some people. They opened their doors. The man go. And upon that, they are still protecting their own. They never gave him out. They supported him. They supported everything around him. And you can see it happen. Go to the north. They support their own. They protect them. How? They give them repentant Boko Haram status. They send them abroad to go, and so some of them they use our own a Biafran. Tell you that even these terrorists that you are seeing today that have repented can be a president tomorrow or your governors tomorrow.
Yeah.
It was spoken by one of our own. Enenche was there. When Enenche, they forced him out. Enenche was forced out. Major General Enenche was forced out. He was forced to leave. When he left, what happened? He joined Labour Party, obedient system, and began to talk.
That was why his brother was campaigning for Obi.
Good. You see, so he joined that one and was there talking all the evil that was going on there. You see, most of the times, I do not know if there is any of them that will behave like the way I behaved. My people, I will say it and I will continue to reiterate. I do not know Tayep people. I do not know Biron people. I don't know the Southern Kaduna people. The only thing I saw is humanity. I saw them inside me. And when they are defending the land that has already been taken away by the government from them, much of the land, apart from the one that they have taken, has been taken again. There is serious encroachment going on that led to their killing and the destruction of their farm, produce and products, farm crops. These people want to react. They called us. I was opportune to be the one they sent there with my own tree. They expected me to go and ransack the people simply because they were defending their rights. I got there. I did what I did. I analyzed things. I said, no, I cannot do this. Rather, I will arrest these people. Because if you did not encroach into their land, most of this thing will not happen. It will be curtailed. Because you think that you have power, you can do anything unthinkable in a land that you are not indigenous to. And get away with it. Because you have your people, you mounted them. I am one of them that they have sent, and I will not encourage you to do that. Rather, I will deal with you. You are the troublemaker. They will not call them troublemakers. When I find it difficult to operate, and that environment find it difficult for me to operate, I decided to say, I am leaving. I put in paper and I left. How many of them will do that today? They are not Biafrans. They are not Kusasi people where my father come from in Ghana here. They are not Biafrans. But I saw the need in protecting their interests. When I moved away, I do not know what happened there next. Our people, they will protect their own. Protect them in such a manner that nothing touches them. But our own, not be them first, brought out the proscription of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB as a terrorist organization. Not be them. It be them. It be them, no be the caliphate now. Not be the caliphate or the enemies of Mazen Namdekano, IPOB, and Biafra. It is our own. It is our own. They were doing it thinking that they are going to see favor from the faces of these people, not knowing that they are looking at you as you are betraying your own. They are not going to entrust any political power that will make you have the
That is
power to
what they
do and
don't
undo.
know. That is what they don't know.
Have you not seen it happening now? Has it not happened? Look at Wike, the small Hitler. See him there. I don't know. I saw in pictures. The man now, he be like say, he they drink more gogoro now. He grow lean. He be like say, fear the catch him. I
What
saw
fear
it.
will catch am?
I saw
Fear
it in
will catch
Alex.
am.
I saw it in Alexio. This in Alexio brought out the picture. If you see how that man been like somebody where they suffer for Pashako for more than 10 years. This is what will happen to all of you that betrayed innocent people, betrayed Mazen and the Canada were telling you the truth, kill our people, soil their hands, destroy them, finish them in any way that they can in order to find favor in the hands of the caliphate. Today, you are going to suffer for it. You will suffer for it, and we will begin by the grace of thank God that social media doesn't lie. We will tabulate all your deeds and present it to you by the time when Biafra will come, so that those that are not born now will see you just like we are, cursing and blaming Azikiwe, Aguyi Rosi, and Azekas. That is how we are going to treat you. I wasn't there when they did what they did. I was not there. But I came out from my mother's womb to read all the atrocities and the betrayal. Traitors, people with treacherous heart. I read what they did. Today, I am castigating them even at their grave. I can spit. I will spit at their grave for what they made our people go through. Thank you, my brother. Shame never come. More go come for them. May they wait. The shame when they go visit them this time around, if they do press up in the bush, they will run away from that country. I'm telling you. You see the one more. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. We should be rounding up because we'll be coming back again later this evening. So, Maze Battle Cry.
Yeah, one.
I beg you, just drop your submission with 1 minute so we can.
Yes, Biafra, as you can see, we are in a process of sober reflection, and what we see now that's going on now is just we're just trying to put our memory together, put our spirit together to rally around, and the main broadcaster, like our man said, will be coming later today. So from me here, it's a good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, depending on where you're watching. This is Biafra Battlecry Channel TV. Thank you.
They were our able minister, our honorable minister, Mazi Sonny, is too busy. So Mazi Sonny, TV, the minister, Biafra government in exile, information and the media publication, send his greetings. So we love you all, Biafrans. And Max, do you have anything to drop before we go?
Yes, so my brother, why not? No be my house where I dey. I be my house where I dey. If no be say we are closing, me I get many things where I go talk, but I will have to respect you at this. So we have to go. We will gather again the day, as long as God give us lives. We will continue to fight them. We'll continue to do what is necessary so that our people will gain their freedom. I would like to use this opportunity to tell Biafrans, especially in Biafra land, we understand, we know what you people are going through. It is not easy. It is not an easy task. It is only people that have never stayed in the war front that will say what you are going through in Biafra land is a child's play thing. No, it's not child's play. It is serious. It's killing us. It makes us cry. And that is why we are doing what we can do. But I said it and I'll continue to say, if carrying granite and the mechanical, let's say the iron stick is what is going to, it will be the resultant effect, the last resort. Expect me to come there to do what I know how to do best. No matter what they do, whosoever they put there, the dancing drunken masterman, the ones that are falling, all of them that they disgrace, no matter what they do, any policy they bring is for our own good. It is going to remove us from these evil people and evil contraption. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. I remain your Wadiala. Thank you, my brother.
Ndewo, my brother. Thank you for coming. We love your presence. So, dear friends, behold, Sonny Aparawa send his love, warm greeting. We love you all, and we will continue to preach the gospel of truth. We no get choice. So we have to draw the curtain now and here. And I want you to remember, Biafra is our goal. If you look now, you go see everybody that stood or that was standing or that is standing against us is fallen. And you will see that those like pastors, comedians, celebrities, that has been eating well are no longer eating well, and they are now coming back to tell you Biafra is the best answer. Nandegali is a prophet. Nandegali is the great prophet. All in the name of looking for you to come and be their fans again. They are not truth. Let us stick on the people that are Biafrans. Let us follow Biafrans. Let us not follow entertainers anymore. We have followed them enough. They have not led us to anywhere. So we are following Biafra. Remember always to listen to Master Simon Ebasugo. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.
You must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who is doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
Mercy on we Biafra, Lord, give us a freedom. Have mercy on we Biafrans and give us a freedom. Oh Lord, have mercy on we Biafrans and give us a freedom. Father, we need our leader. Prophet, we need our leader. Mazinand Kuchukukano.